Want to take your language skills from basic to professional? Shadow this sentence and you'll see the difference.
Your brain can sense emotional danger. Your brain can sense emotional danger before you consciously acknowledge it. Before you consciously acknowledge it. As a psychologist, let me explain two subtle but critical warning signs. As a psychologist, let me explain two subtle but critical warning signs. First, your mental clarity shifts dramatically in their presence. First, your mental clarity shifts dramatically in their presence. Notice how your thoughts become foggy. Notice how your thoughts become foggy. Decisions feel harder to make. Decisions feel harder to make. And you struggle to concentrate around them. And you struggle to concentrate around them. That isn't coincidence. That isn't coincidence. Your brain is detecting emotional threat. Your brain is detecting emotional threat, causing it to divert energy from clear thinking to survival mode. Causing it to divert energy from clear thinking to survival mode. It's literally preparing you to protect yourself. It's literally preparing you to protect yourself. Second, your emotional stability becomes unpredictable. Second, your emotional stability becomes unpredictable, but in a specific pattern. You feel centered when they're away. You feel centered when they're away. But you might experience intense mood swings in their presence. But you might experience intense mood swings in their presence. This isn't about you being too sensitive. This isn't about you being too sensitive. It's your brain's warning system telling you that something in this dynamic doesn't feel safe and secure. It's your brain's warning system telling you that something in this dynamic doesn't feel safe and secure. The decision to leave isn't about blame. The decision to leave isn't about blame. It's about recognizing when a relationship dynamic is compromising your psychological well-being. It's about recognizing when a relationship dynamic is compromising your psychological well-being.
Subscribe now to level up your language skills with us.